Building your dream home is an exciting journey, but it's essential to understand the factors that contribute to the overall building time. In this video, we'll walk you through the crucial procedures that shape the timeline of your construction project. From the initial meeting with your builder to the final construction phase, each step plays a significant role in bringing your dream home to life. The first step towards your dream home begins with an initial meeting with your builder. Here you'll discuss your ideas and work towards finalising the design and floor plan. This crucial stage can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. After refining the design, the builder will quote the project and present a fixed price building proposal. The contract signing and permitting process follow, which may take an additional 2 to 4 weeks. These initial stages lay the foundations for a smooth construction journey. With permits finalised and approved, the builder initiates the construction scheduling process. Meanwhile, the homeowner is busy selecting finishes to be incorporated into the overall design. Once everything is set, construction commences, but the timeframe can vary based upon multiple factors. The actual construction could take anywhere from 12 to 16 weeks, or even longer depending on various elements such as design complexity, weather conditions, land slope, and titling processes. Additionally, unplanned changes requested during the building process can lead to significant delays. While reality TV shows might portray rapid construction, building a quality home requires ample time and careful planning. It's crucial to remember that shortcuts can compromise the quality of your home. By understanding these procedures and giving ample time for each phase, you'll ensure the construction of your dream home is a success. So remember, building a quality home is an investment worth the time and effort. Trust the process, and soon enough, you'll have the home you've always dreamed of.